Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a glamorous eye look on Anke and show you how to make your eyes appear larger. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start by prepping the eyelids. I'm using a paint pot by M.A.C that is also just going to define the eyelid and map out a shape that I want. When I want to make the eyes appear larger, I like to do a halo eyeshadow look. So I'm applying the eyeshadow, which is like a soft brown color, in the outer corner, and then I'll also take that into the inner corner of the eye. When doing this, I find it easier to start very light and then build my color as I go. This way you have a little bit more control over the shape that you create. Once I have the shape that I want, I'm also taking it through the crease, just connecting the inner and outer corner. This leaves the center of the eyelid lightest, and that is what gives you that beautiful 3D effect. To create a little bit more depth, I'm just using the same eyeshadow as before, and I'm just intensifying the shape that I've already created. I'm being very careful not to create any harsh edges at the moment. I'm placing a little bit of product and then blending it outwards with whatever is left on the brush. Just to be sure that there are absolutely no harsh edges, I'm using another clean blending brush and just blending out the edges. For liner, I'm just going back in with the same brown eyeshadow and I'm just taking that all along the lash line. Next up, I'm applying a golden shimmer to the center of the lid. Now, we kept this space lightest for a reason, and now we're just adding a little bit of shimmer to make it pop even more. This is what really makes the eyes look larger. I'm adding some false lashes just to add some extra volume to the look. I'm doing a medium to full coverage foundation application. I think with this eye look that is quite glamorous and dramatic, a flawless skin is really going to complement it. This foundation provides enough coverage, so I'm actually going to go in with the same foundation and use it as my concealer. The lower lash line should mirror everything that we did at the top, so I'm focusing the eyeshadow in the outer and the inner corner, and then I'm just going to blend them together, but I'm also keeping the center of the lower lash line open, the same way that we did on the top lid. There shouldn't be a disconnect between the top and lower lash line, so I'm just making sure that everything blends together beautifully and that they connect in the corner. I kept the center of the lower lash line open and I'm just applying the same shimmer that we did at the top at the bottom. This creates a beautiful teary effect but also enlarges the eye. I'm also using this shimmer in the inner corner of the eye. Since we already have our lashes at the top, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara to the lower lashes for some extra definition. The eye makeup is already very dramatic, so I am just filling in any sparse areas of the brow and just perfecting the shape. There's no need to do a very graphic eyebrow here. I'm adding a cream blush to the cheeks for a youthful, dewy glow. For the lips, I'm keeping it simple and I'm just applying the same cream blush for a little bit of color.